If you put soap in there, the gas will blow up the soap. And you have carbon dioxide.
Oh, it's gonna.
Put this in your movie. You're like,
It's not coming out. It's just coming up.
Food dye in it.
It is.
yeah. We can put food dye in it, but it might dye the tables. But oh well, because you
Can
know.
you turn it to like this side?
Can we do another dry ice thing?
Mm-hmm. We'll use it. We'll finish this up. No, I'll give you one without dry. I'll give you one without the dye in it because it's more fun and we can touch the bubbles in just a second.
Really?
Yeah, but you probably don't want the food dye because it'll color your hands and make a mess.
Well, I'll have food dye on it.
No, I'm gonna give you one without any at all, so you can like touch the bubbles if you want. So the bubbles are okay to touch, and let me show you first though if you don't mind. The cool thing about these bubbles is, let me show you something, and then I'll give you guys a chance. Yeah, you know Dylan, right? Isn't that cool? So,
Will your hands be dry?
well, they're moist from the bubbles and water.
Oh my god.
Wait,
Let me try.
Whoa! Beside you.
Guys,
Okay, I ran out of room on my iPad.
Once you have it, but once you've gotten the scoop, let someone else have a scoop.
Squeeze it. Come on.
go.
Once you've had it,
Dylan, squeeze it.
everybody have one.
I can't use my camera on my iPad anymore.
Squeeze it. Wow.
I'm out of space.
More dry ice.
No. Coco, go.
I just want a little bit.
Where's this
I don't want to touch the dry ice.
I think
Good.
Hey, Noah, do me a favor. Go over on that side. Dylan, go over on this side. I just need a little more space right here so that I don't knock over anything. Or you can just scoot. Or that's fine, actually, right there.
Excuse me, your hand got over it.
Yeah, I still want to.
Can I just have a
People touching it, I want to leave it plain so you can grab it.
grab it?
Wait, my turn. Wait, let me get a big.